Hi guys, Sandy here. I'm from Southern Virginia and I'm starting a new blog. It's called The Budget Beauty, and what I'll be talking about is how to save money on beauty products, skincare, makeup, hair, fashion, stuff like that. You know, clothes, accessories, just anything, and doing it on a budget. Because times are tough right now with our pandemic and all going on. So I thought maybe this could help some others if I gave you some of the secrets that I use and buy my beauty products and clothes and things like that. So first of all, I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm 58 years old. I live in Southern Virginia, and I have 3 wonderful children. Hi, Victoria, Aaron, and Timothy. And I have a wonderful husband named Tony, and I have my little puppy dog. Her name is Tootsie Roll. We call her Toots for short. She's a 9-year-old Yorkie. She's camera shy. I'm going to put her down now. And one of the ways that I save money is I subscribe to a box, seasonal box, and it's by FabFitFun. And I got my box in for spring, and I wanted to share it with y'all today. And the first thing I'll go over with you is the little book that they send you, the magazine, and it tells you all about the products, what you could have chose from, because in the seasonal box like this, you get to choose some of your items. Now, it all depends on if you're an annual or seasonal member, and I'm an annual member. I pay $179.99 a year for my box. I save about 20 bucks, which every little bit helps. If you do it seasonally, you get to you pay $49.99 for it. Now, if you're annual, you get to pick 5 of the 8 items that they send you. If you're seasonal, you get to pick 3 of the 8 items. So I went with the annual box so I could do more customization. Now, for the first category that we have, I'm going to read over the things that I could have chosen, and then I'll show you what I got. Okay, in the first category, they had the Alice and Olivia Daisy Print Duffel Bag, the Perricone MD Essential FX Rejuvenating Moisturizer Cream, and the Short Stories LED Indoor Planner, the Monroe Classic Watch, and the Jenny Kane Water Hyacinth Tray with cutout handles, the Tech Candy UV Sanitizer, and the Milk Makeup Watermelon Brightening Face Mask, and Mini Watermelon Brightening Face Serum. They also had the Shoshana Umbrella and the Cowpack set of 3 packing cubes and sorbet. Now, I couldn't choose between a couple of the items, so I went ahead and got an add-on. And the first thing I got was the duffel bag. It's the Alice and Olivia duffel bag. I love, love, love this bag. It's very well made. It's kind of small for me for clothes, but I am going away next week to the beach, and I thought this would be great to put in like my makeup, hairbrush, my blow dryer, hair accessories, all that kind of good stuff. And it's very well made. I love the little pull tab where the zipper is. I don't know if you can see this or not. See that? I thought that was really cute. I did go on their website, Alice and Olivia, and I did some research and found out that that bag does sell for $150. Very expensive stuff on there. A sweatshirt was $550. A dress was $1,050. So I was real excited about getting that, and I will be using it. The other item that I got in that category was the Short Stories LED Indoor Planner. I have a black thumb, can't grow anything. So I thought I'd try my hand at this. I love parsley. I like cooking with it a lot. So you got with it, let me open it up here for you. You got the pack of basil that came with it. And I'm not much on basil. And this is what it looks like. So I went and bought I pre-planned, and I went and bought a bag of parsley seeds. And then I went to the Dollar Tree to pick up a few things, and I noticed they had bags of potting soil. So I went ahead and picked me up a small little bag of potting soil for $1. So that way I'd be all ready for when I got this little bad boy. All right, that's what I got for category 1. Now for category 2, they had the Our Place lunchbox, the $1 Billion Brow 6-piece Pro Brush Essential Kit, the Josie Maran 100% Pure Argan Oil, Splendid Faux Fur Slippers in Crystal Pink, the Gaiam Ultimate Core Toning Kit, and the Steel and Meal Company To Do Planning Bundle, or the MAC Cosmetics Powder Kiss Lipstick Duo. So what I got was I got 2 things. I got the Gaiam Ultimate Toning Kit, and this is what it looks like. Here is the stretch bands. And then it came with a small exercise ball, which I'm not going to blow up right now. I'll do that later. And I also got the Our Place lunchbox. And this is really cute. You open it up like this and see what you see inside. It's got the fork, the spoon, the knife, and chopsticks. We eat a lot of Chinese food, so this will be nice to have. Let me see if I can get it hooked back. There you go. And we do make a lot of trips. My kids live about an hour, hour and a half, well, about almost an hour and a half, 2 hours away from us. So that'll be great to take with me. I can put some grapes, some orange slices or whatever in the lunchbox and take with me, you know, because it's so hard to, when you're traveling, eating out, it's not good for you when you're on a diet. I'm on Weight Watchers, and I absolutely love it. I have an app on my phone for it. It's $44.95 a month. You can't beat it. And so if you're thinking about a weight loss program, try them. They're really good. But I got that, and that was all for the second category. Now for the third category, I got, let's see, they had the Verso Skincare Super Eye Serum, Alice and Olivia Reversible Bucket Hat, the Joy Trevecchi Chloe Ring, the Bloomingville Woven Seagrass Coasters, or the Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Hair Mask. And I, again, could not decide between 2 things, so I chose the Bucket Hat by Alice and Olivia. I think it's absolutely adorable. We live on the lake where I live at, and this will be perfect for the summertime along with my duffel bag to use. We have a pontoon boat that we go out on all the time, so this will be great for keep the sun out my eyes and all, and to use on the boat. And I also got the Joy Trevecchi ring. I don't know if you can see that, but it's very pretty. It's adjustable. See, it's opened in the back on the bottom, and let me show you what it looks like on. Oh yeah, it's a good fit. Well, let me take this ring off so you can see it. There you go. Very pretty. But okay, so next we have in category 4, we have the Sorbus Makeup Organizer, the Ohava Refreshing Facial Cleansing Gel, the Erno Laszlo Sema Deep Cleansing Bar, the Larkin Ives Hair Scarf Bundle, and the Grown Alchemist Body Cream in Mandarin and Rosemary Leaf, the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel, and the Pure Cosmetics Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Oil. Oh, I'm sorry, that's in category 5. The last one was the Papaya Enzyme Peel. And I chose the Larkin Ives Scarf Set. Now, I thought these were really cute. I have long hair, and after a couple of days of wearing it down, I'm ready to pull it up in a ponytail. So I thought these would be cute to tie around my ponytail. Or you can tie them onto your purse or around your neck, however you'd like to use them. But they're really cute. Very good quality. And I love the little pouch they come in, so when I am traveling, I can put them right back in their pouch. There you go. And I'm ready to go. Okay. Now, for category 5, they had the Pure Cosmetics Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil, the Camp Collection Dip and Dye Market Tote, the Cocoa Floss Tropical Trio, and the Summer and Rose Tweezers with Pouch, and the Halston Aloe Infused Gel Line Socks and Pumice Stone. And I chose the Camp Collection Dip Dye Market Tote, and I thought this was really cute. Now, the reason why I got this is because where I live, we do have a little outdoor local market that in the spring and summer you can go to. Now, right now with the pandemic going on, we can't, but once it opens back up, this will be nice to have when I go to get my fresh vegetables for the diet that I'm on. Or I can also use it when we go to the beach because I love to collect seashells. So I thought this would be great to use for when we go and go to the beach. Okay, so for category number 6, 7, and 8, that's what FabFitFun chose for me, but I'll give you what the options were, and then I'll show you what they gave me. The first was the Each Jewels Flower Hair Clip 2-pack, the Human & Kind Hand Scrub Elderflower and Raspberry, and the Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampule. And I got the hair clips. And I thought these were really cute. These are by Each, and they match the hat and the duffel bag. So, hey, those will be a cute little accessory. And if I don't wear them, if I find them too old for them, we have a bunch of kids that come over in the summer and hang out on the porch with us with their parents. So I'll give it to one of the kids. All right, so in category 7, we have the SF Glow Suns Out, Pouts Out Lip Mask, the Pink Sky Cactus Sipper Cup, and the Cali Cosmetics Body Wash. Guess what I got? The Sipper Cup. Probably won't use it for myself. But like I said, we have tons of kids that come over, and we keep drinks in the refrigerator for them, you know, Yoo-hoos and stuff like that. And this will be perfect for one of the kids. So it'll get used, that's for sure. And in the last category, we have the Say Reusable Beauty Rounds 3-pack, or the Nail Polish Nails by Nails Inc. in Mayfair Lane. And I got the Beauty Rounds. Now, I love these. I use the makeup eraser. I got that in a box last year sometime. I've been a member now with FabFitFun for about 1.5 years. And I got the makeup eraser, and I love it. And at Ulta Beauty, it sells for $20, and I never see it on sale. So I was excited to get these because I will definitely be using them. And they're washable. You just throw them in the washer and then reuse them. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over what every item that I got retailed for. Starting with the duffel bag. That retailed for $150. And the Short Stories LED Indoor Planner was $60. The lunchbox was $35. And the Gaiam Ultimate Core Toning Kit, that was $50. And the Olivia Reversible Bucket Hat was $85. And the Joy Trevecchi Chloe Ring was $75. The Larkin Ives Hair Scarf Bundle, that went for $30. And the Dip and Dye Market Tote, that went for $25. Let's see, the hair clips, those were $30. And the Cactus Sipper Cup went for $20. Whoa. And the Say Reusable Beauty Rounds, those were $15. So all in all, for $45, I think I did very well with my items that I chose. I also did add-ons. So let me show you what I got with my add-ons. Now, like I said, I do a lot of Christmas shopping during the year for my kids and for my husband and all my friends. And so I picked up these lunch boxes for my kids. I'm always trying to teach them to be a little more frugal. And I thought this would be a great way because they love to eat out and they're always buying lunch. And I just thought maybe this would save them some money. I'm not going to open these, but you can see they're the Bent Go Classic lunch boxes. I got 3 of those, 1 for each of the kids. The next item that I got was the Ipare. These are the double-walled champagne glasses. I love these. Now, I have a set, but mine aren't the double-walled ones. But I think the lunch boxes I paid like $7 a piece for them. And these I paid, I think these were $15 for the set, which I thought was a really good price. Now, the next item that I got was the Daily Concepts Your Mesh Sponge. Now, this is just a regular sponge. I paid $5 for it. I needed a new one. Mine's getting old and kind of grungy looking, so I thought it was time to get a new one. I didn't try, which I'm going to try if they have them the next time, the sponge gel that has the soap already in it. I've heard a lot of good things. I've been watching YouTube, and I've heard a lot of good things about them, so I want to try them next. So, and the next item I got was the Laura Geller Marbleized Blush. Now, I used the Laura Geller eye makeup. I got the palette, one of the palettes in my box. I think it was last season, this past winter. And this is the blush. It's a beautiful color. I think I'll like that really well. It's almost the same color that the makeup that I use now. So we will definitely try that. And then last but not least, I got the Terra Mare, or however you pronounce it, toner. And I already have a bottle of this, and I really do like it. So, I bought this because I knew I'd be running out soon. I was going to need some more. And I picked it up. I think this was, I don't know, $11, $17, something like that, which was a good price, I thought. And then also, I got free for doing add-ons. I think if you spent $50 or more, you got the Smart Water and the 4 Sigmatic protein shake. So anyway, that's what I got in my box for the spring. And if you like, what I'll do is I'll put the link down if you're not a member of FabFitFun. But it's a great way to try new, really good products on a budget. I mean, $45 every 3 months. And you get 8 different items, and you get to customize 5 of them. And you can try different things, and then if you like them, then you can go to their website or go to FabFitFun's website, and you can maybe buy them again and, you know, restock on them. But what I'll do is I'll put the link down bottom, like I said. And if you like my video, hit the like button. And if you'd like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, it's going to be called the, excuse me, it's going to be called the Budget Beauty. Just hit the subscribe button, and I'll try and put a video on at least twice a month. So, see you next time. Bye-bye.